Bali, nag-diet ako. Nag-undergo ako ng dengue diet. Hindi ko i-recommenda yung diet na yung kahit kanino. Araw-araw may work. Hindi na ako makapag-gym. So yung ginagawa ko, bumili ako ng weight set na dinadala ko usually sa set.
Ano na lang preparation mo for this Cosmo event?
Healthy diet. Mag-gym ka kapag may oras ka. Kahit walang oras, pilitin mo na magkaroon ng oras.
What do you think is the sexiest part of your body?
Di ko alam. Ano ba? Dibdib siguro or balikat?
Ano naman ang iyong signature flirting style?
Wala akong flirting style eh. Ano bang flirting style?
Pero how do you
signature
attract a girl or get a girl's attention?
Binabuwas-buwas ako yung pagpapakyut kasi mga ibang babae ayaw yung ganun. So nagpapaka-natural lang ako. Yun, less is more para sa akin.
Anong preparation mo para dito sa Cosmo Bachelor's Bash?
God, of course the usual, gym, diet.
What do you think is the sexiest part of your body?
Should say my back.
At ano naman ang iyong signature flirting style?
Siguro like holding my head like this. Ganun lang.
Anong sexiest part of your body?
Sabi nila,
Ano ba?
sabi nila mata daw.
Rather than mata.
Lumaban ng katawan mo kanina. Ang dami nagaganda ang katawan sa mga bots pero hindi ka nila kinabog.
Thank you, thank
Ano mo na ba yung anticipate na talaga maglalaban kayo? Pero competition ang pagandahan ng katawan kaya pinaghandaan mo ng bongga mo.
Hindi ko siya inisip na kompetisyon eh. Ang kakompetensya ko dito is sarili ko. Dahil sa kabila na lahat ng mga schedules, katulad ni Alden, alam ko marami kaming mga schedules na pinagdadala. Pero sobrang proud ako sa mga kapuso. Lalo din kina Dennis and Tom sa MHL dahil tuloy-tuloy yung taping ay nakapaghanda sila.
Ano na lang yung signature flirting style? Siguro nung bago mo paano mo nakuha si Kylie? Parang anong ginawa mong pang
Signature flirting style. Wow! Hindi ako masyadong ma-flirt na tao eh. More on old school ako. Talagang ang gusto ko talaga pag may gusto ako sa babae, hindi ako nakikipag-flirt, hinaharanahan ko.
Hi Carla, so what preparation did you do before this event?
With all honesty, I just do my usual routine of off-season. So ang ginawa ko nila, I just worked out for my usual an hour or 2 hours.
What do you consider is your sexiest body part?
Oh, the one that they don't see. Because I'm half Iranian, so just use your imagination.
What is your signature flirting style?
Oh, that's a good question. I don't know. I just believe that if the lady likes you and you like them back, there's just a moment that you guys click. There's like, even if she's far apart, like there, and there's a lot of people, you don't see the people, you don't see the crowd, you just see each other, and there's like magnet. You just hit it off immediately.
Yes, anong preparation mo to reach this event?
Siyempre, diet, training talaga.
What's the sexiest part of your body? Now, fitter ka.
Siyempre yung siguro abs, shoulders. Kasi lumabas naman dahil nag-diet.
Ano naman ang iyong signature flirting style para makakuha ng
Ayun, so, ginawa ko naman kanina eh, sayawan ko yung babae, di ba?
How did you prepare for this Cosmo Bachelor?
How did I prepare? Actually, at this point in time, I have a play. So whenever I have theater, I usually lose a lot of weight. And the thing is, I had a lot of extra pounds on me before that. But when I do theater, it's like we have to dance, we have to sing, we have to act every single day, and it's always on our feet.
What do you think is your sexiest body part?
Other than my brain,
Other than your brain.
I guess this cut. Yeah, I guess that.
What is your parang physical workout and your diet? Do you have it?
Well, I just went to the gym as much as possible and ate less these past few days. So lang pwede ko pa sanang nag-prepare pa sana ako eh, but sometimes time and all that, but okay naman. It went well, I guess. Okay
What's
naman.
your sexiest part of your body?
Sexiest part of my body? Ano ba?
Ikaw,
Is that for me to say?
Yes, for you.
My eyes.